Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick on Sound Health Solution. We have been lately speaking about the different chakras, and recently we started speaking about mudras, which can help you in your different ailments, physical ailments or mental ailments in life. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, do subscribe. And let's get started with our new mudra, which is the mudra for backache. So you could call this the backache mudra. All right. This is a relatively comprehensive mudra to perform. So what you have to do is take your right hand. This is my right hand. Join your thumb, the tip of your thumb, with the middle finger and the little finger. So it's going to look something like this on your right hand. I'll repeat that again. Join the tip of your thumb with the tip of your middle finger and the tip of your little finger. So it looks something like this on your right hand. And on your left hand, take your thumb, take your index finger, bend your index finger, and keep your thumb on the nails of the index finger and keep the rest of the fingers straight. And as you do this, you can turn them towards the sky again, palms up, and place them on your knees and relax. While doing this, you can also sit on a lotus position, which is sitting with your legs crossed on the ground, not sitting on a chair, sitting on the ground, and just breathe. And as you do this mudra, if you have severe backache problems, you will notice that these linings of your hands or these fingers will start to hurt. But once they start hurting, you're not supposed to go, oh, it's hurting so bad, I want to let go of this mudra. No. What you need to do is you need to be resilient and you need to hold on to this mudra and just breathe. Breathe for a while. Just breathe and try to relax. These days, all of us have a back problem, don't we? If you don't, raise your hands. And if you do, type yes in the comments down below. We work in such a hurried environment. We work at such a fast pace that we tend to snap our backs at sometimes and stretch it. And we do that when we are tensed, we are at work, but we have very less time for physical activities, physical exercises, controlled stretching, controlled exercises that make our back healthy. What happens is you keep sitting at your desk and you do your daily deeds. What it does is it rusts your back. There's no more movement in your back. There's no more stretching. There's no more flexibility. The muscles get tensed. The muscles get torn. The ligaments get weaker and weaker every day. And with time, your back starts to hurt like anything. So this mudra is for the people who have severe backache. What it can also heal is your sciatica problem. Sciatica is when your nerves are displaced and they are pressed or compressed. If you perform this backache mudra, you feel in a couple of days, you'll start feeling that your back starts getting relieved. And as I said, notice where it hurts when you do the mudra. It might hurt here, here, or here, here. That's the area that needs more relaxation, and just breathe it out. With every breath out, let all of your tension get out from your body. Let all of your stress leave your body, but do not leave the mudra. Let's recap the mudra one last time. On your right hand, the tip of the thumb joined with the tip of the middle finger and the tip of the little finger. And on your left hand, your index finger is bent and your thumb rests on the nail of your index finger. So what's happening here? The fire element is balancing the sky element and the water element. Even your bones are made up of 70% water, so this is trying to balance all those aspects. And in this hand, we are trying to control the air element of the body. And in this way, the entire back system of your body gets relaxed and healed. If you like this video, do not forget to press the like button. If you want to say something to us, you can say it through our comments box, and share this video with friends who need backache healing. And if you like whatever is happening in Sound Health Solution, do not forget to subscribe to us. Let's build a community of new age enlightened human beings. Until next time.